Editing your video script in Descript is incredibly easy and efficient, making it a must-have tool for anyone working with video content. Whether you're a beginner or have some experience, Descript streamlines the process like nothing else. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through how to edit your video script in Descript and show you why it's such a game changer. By the end of this video, you'll be able to cut your editing time in half and make sure your script flows smoothly before you even record. First, let's start with the basics. Descript works by transcribing your audio or video into text, making it easier to edit your content as if you were editing a document. This is great for people new to video editing because it allows you to treat your video script just like text. Simply upload your video and Descript will generate an accurate transcription that's easy to follow. Once your transcript is ready, the real editing magic begins. You can highlight parts of the text, delete, reword, or move sections around. Descript has this fantastic feature where if you delete a word or phrase in the script, it automatically removes that section from the video itself. So if you cut out a or a mistake, it's gone from both the transcript and the video without you needing to manually scrub through the footage. Another cool feature is the multi-clip editing. You can break your video into different sections based on the text, rearranging these segments to match your new script. This works particularly well if you're reshuffling content or cutting down your script to make it more concise. You can also add annotations in the text that will translate directly to the video. Great for keeping track of edits or changes. One of the most efficient tools is Descript's overdub feature. It lets you type out new text that will be automatically turned into voiceover in your voice. So if you need to add something to your script after you've already recorded, you don't need to re-record the whole segment. Just type it out, and Descript will generate the audio for you. The editing interface is also super user-friendly. It's clean and intuitive, so you can focus on editing your video script rather than wasting time learning the software. Plus, everything you do in Descript can be quickly exported to your preferred video editing software or shared directly from Descript, saving you even more time. Now, if you're new to Descript, I highly recommend trying it out for yourself. You can start using Descript for free today by clicking the first link in the description below. You'll even get some exclusive bonuses that make this already awesome software even better. Stay tuned because at the end of this video, I'll tell you about a special extended free trial for Descript that you won't want to miss out on. By the end of today's video, you'll know exactly how to edit your video script in Descript like a pro. So, in summary, Descript is a fantastic tool for anyone editing their video scripts. With its easy-to-use interface, text-based editing, and overdub feature, it saves you tons of time and effort. Remember, you can get started with Descript completely free from the link below and unlock exclusive bonuses. Don't miss out on this chance to elevate your content creation workflow.